Okay, welcome my all dear students. So for class 7, first chapter angles, I have done some examples here. So please for class 7 and 8, you have the same topic on your first chapter angle. Okay, so please you both the student of class 7 and 8, you prefer the videos which are made for both the classes 7 or 8, you please see that. So some examples in case of class 7, some examples I have done here. Okay, so our first example is we need to find the value of x here. Okay, so for that what we should know, this total angle, the sum of this total angle is, this is your straight angle, that is your 180 degree. Okay, so it has three parts, so if you add these three parts you will get the sum as 180 degree. That is your angle ACE plus angle ECD plus angle DCB is equal to 180 degree. So its reason you should write sum of parts of straight angle is 180 degree, or sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degree. So ACE is your 2x plus ECD is your 60 degree plus DCB is your x plus 60 degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 2x plus x is your 3x plus 60 plus 60 is your 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Transfer this 180 to right hand side, 3x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is your 3x is equal to 60 degree. So transfer this 3 to right hand side. Okay, here 3x means 3 into x, 3 multiply x. So if it is multiply here, transfer to right hand side, it will divide and we will get the value of x as 20 degree. Okay, it's very simple. This total straight angle is divided into three parts. Okay, one is 2x, another is 60, another is x plus 60. Okay, if you add these three parts, you will get the total sum as 180 degree. Okay, so 2x plus 60 plus x plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. 2x plus x are like terms, so 3x, 60 plus 60, 120. Transfer 120 to right hand side. After subtraction you will get 60, so 3x means 3 into x, transfer this 3 to right hand side, it will divide and you will get the answer as 20. So similarly next example is here it is a point here, so here around this point there are many angles. So what we know, sum of angle at a point is 360 degrees. So if we add this all angle, that is your 2x plus 5x plus 2x plus 3x plus 6x, it must be equal to 360 degree, because sum of angle at a point is 360 degree. So how much is it? 2x plus 5x, 7x plus 2x, 9x plus 3x, 12 plus 6, 18x. So 18x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree upon 18 degree, because here 18x means 18 into x. So here x is equal to how much? If you divide, you will get 18 to the 36, that is the value of x is your 20 degree. Okay, it is very simple. It is a point here. Around this point there are many angles, but what we know, the sum of angle at a point is 360 degrees. So I have added these all angles and written here 360 degrees. Reason is sum of angle at a point is 360 degree. So add this all, we will get 18x is equal to 360 degree. Transfer this 18x to right hand side, that is it is multiplying here, it will go in right hand side and it will do divide and we will get the value of x as 20 degree. Similarly, our next example is here one right angle is divided into three parts, that is your 4x, 3x and 2x. So if we add this all, okay, that is your 4x plus 3x plus 2x is equal to 90 degrees. So what will be the reason here? Sum of parts of right angle is 90 degree. So how much is here? 4x plus 3x is your 7x plus 2x is your 9x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 degree upon 9, because 9 is multiplying here, it will go right hand side and it will do divide, so x is equal to 10 degree. Okay, why I have written here 90? Because this total is your 90 degree. Okay, so the sum of parts of right angle is 90 degree. So this all is your 4x plus 3x plus 2x is 9x is equal to 90. Transfer this 9 to right hand side, it will go and divide there, because it is multiplying with the left hand side, so we will get the value of x as 10 degree. Okay, so please try the exercise which are given in your first chapter, angle. Okay, both the classes, class 7 and 8, please you prefer the videos made for class 7 or 8. Please both the classes see both the videos, okay, which are made for class 7 or 8. Take the reference from all videos made on this angle chapter. Okay, thank you class.